We have Kotaj saying good morning, very good morning, brother. Hello, brother. Hello, Melson. How are you, guys? As soon as you join the stream, make sure that you like the stream. It would be a great help. I'm also good. Radhe Radhe Bhai, Radhe Radhe Lalit Kumar, Jai Shri Ram. Guys, here is a quick entry. Okay, just get here. A small stop loss. This would be the targets. Wait a second. Okay, take it. It is only 10 pips. Wait, guys, don't do it. Leave, leave. If you have entered, that's okay. Let's wait for this candle closing. If it closes above this candle, then we'll be entering. Okay. If you have entered, don't exit. You can hold it. Just wait for this candle closing. Let's see. If it closes above this one, we will be entering some buys. Let's see. We have 30 seconds left. It has not closed above yet. Let's not rush. Yes, let's not rush, guys. Let's wait. We have good to see you, grow day by day. Thank you, Wilson. Thank you so much. हेलो भाई, हेलो विश्वास, हाउ आर यू? 249 में एंट्री कैसे होगा? 249 में? What 249, brother? Can you please explain? I do not understand what you are trying to say. What market come down there? Let's see. We are waiting. Morning. Hi, very good morning, spread butter. How are you? Good afternoon. Very good afternoon, Vikas. George. Morning. Very good morning, brother. Guys, please take out a few seconds and like this stream. See, this is a good demand zone. Let's see if price bounces from here. And the reason is this. If you will see, we have a lot of wicks here. Price really struggled hard to break it out. And I guess it should bounce from here at least to this area. Let's see. We have Sangram saying, morning, very good morning, brother. How are you? Yesterday, GPV CAD, I entered in 5K account, got profit, but didn't took in 10K account shit. That's okay, buddy. It's okay. You don't have to be feels you don't have to feel so bad about it. Guys, come on, what are you doing? 22 people are watching these streams and only 9 likes. That's too unfair, man. I entered the trade already. Where should be my SL did test 100 yesterday? It's good as shit, man. Should look for down thing. Let's see if price breaches this area, then maybe we can. But see, I'll show you one thing, right? The selling pressure seems to be very weak. Let me show you something, right? Let's move it here. See, this is a 4 hour candles, right? Price came down, created a new low, right? And back when the time was to close, price moved up, right? Then market created a new low, if you'll see, trapping a lot of sellers. So on the break of this low, a lot of sellers would have entered, right? Market will break that, again came up, right? Now see, for the third time, it did the same thing. It break the low, but it failed to close below this, right? So what does it show? It shows that market is trying to trap sellers, and last time this happened, this is the same. I'll show. See, a big fat as candle of bearish. Market came down, broke the low of this candle. It came up back up, right? Then in the third candle, we saw this same thing. It came down, and but the closing of the candle was above that previous candle, right? And we saw a very good momentum to the upside. So these are the small things that you should focus on: how candles are forming, what they are doing, and everything. Good entry. I do not trade Nest, so guys, I'm so sorry for that. And I guess extreme trade has entered. Is has anyone else also entered in this trade that I gave right now? I removed that for some additional confirmations, but I guess a few of you have captured that. And in case you are one of those who have captured, the entry was somewhere around here, and you would be in 1 days to 2, book 50% and let the rest run. Stop loss will be these. Okay. So if you have entered, just stay in the trade, book 50%. It's 1 race to 2 already, and you can let your rest run. And for those who have not, just relax. We'll get an entry. I haven't entered. I have slippage of 15 points. It's okay. And guys, I would like to wish you happy Navratri, all of you. May Goddess Durga fulfill all your wishes and you all become a profitable trader. Okay. Happy Navratri, everyone. एक बार सारे हिंदू भाई लोग जय माता दी कर दो यार कमेंट सेक्शन में. Feel so good. 3 pips. Slippage or spread? Okay, guys. Let's see if we can get an entry now. We sort of have a change of character in 1 minute. Let's see. See, even you can enter now if you want to. You can enter here. Stop losses will be here. But if you want small stop losses like yesterday, then you have to wait. You have both ways. Either you can enter here. It will be a 20 pip stop loss like this. Or in case you do not want this big of SL, just wait. We'll look for an re-entry. Jai Mata Di. Sorry, spirit. It's okay. It's okay. So guys, tell me if you want to enter here, or should I give you entry with smaller stop loss? Just let me know. Because if you want a smaller entry, I'll just move this RR. Can it TP how much confirmation we have? Uh, Please, yeah, do not ask me questions like this. What is the probability? See, if I'm giving you a trade, yes, then there are high chances that it could be hit. It could hit TP, right? Why would I give you a trade that small SL, sir? Okay, first of all, stop calling me sir. I'm not your sir. I'm just your mate. So you can call me brutish, right? Just don't call me sir. Okay, bro. Okay, so people want with smaller SL. Okay, let's see. This trade was actually looking like this when I gave it first. It was like this, I believe. Here it was something, and the SL was this. And those who have entered right there, like extreme trade, they would have made, I guess, believe around 1 raised to 4.2 or something. But it's okay. We'll take and re-entry. Don't worry about that, guys. We have a change of character in 1 minute. If you can see that, it can move up. Good British and all like yesterday, guys. I guess a lot of people are joining right now. Have two scenarios. Either you can enter here, right, and either you can enter here, and your stop losses will be here, and targets will be this, or else you can just wait if you want a smaller SL. That's it. I guess I'll just keep it like this, and also write it down that wait if you want a safer entry with small SL. Okay, I guess now it would be clear to everyone. But I see at time frame 5 minute, it is downtrending since today morning. But yes, but it is in our demand zone, so we are buying. Doesn't matter. I mean, okay, buddy. I think it can come to 53.2 for better entry. See, I've given you both scenarios. If you can risk 20 pips now, if you don't want to do that, you can just wait. Totally up to you, man. Also, you should be getting risk free in this trade on 1 raised to 1, as we have a lot of resistance here. You can see, get risk free in this area. Okay, just book 50% and get risk free. Why is any signal running currently? Yes, Tanmay, it is. If it hits TP, I will be again frustrated. I have 3 pip spread, so I don't want to enter high. 3 pips is not much, I believe. 2 is that we are also having 2 pips of spread. It will, if it is your first, you call it first trade, and you want to be more safe with it, then just wait. Hi, bro. Hi, everyone. Good morning. Very good morning, Majid. Wait a second, guys. आप जोन कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं प्लीज सिखाओ स्लोली आप जोन बहुत फास्ट ड्रॉ करते हैं which zones do you tell me? I'll explain the reason behind that. If you are talking about this one, let's just see what happened here. Okay, let me do it fresh for you in a 15-minute time frame. If you can see, right now, let's delete this. This. Now let's understand the reason that why I viewed that zone. Okay, let's understand first understand the zone that we had here, right? So what price did was it went up quickly and it came back even quicker. It gave a break of structure here. If you can see, this was the break of structure that it gave. And as soon as a lot of people started selling here, right, it went up pretty quickly. If you can see, This was a break of structure. A lot of people would have sold here, right, thinking that price is going to go down, and as soon as it people entered, it went up pretty quickly. You can see that, right? So it was a fake out, or you can say trap, whatever you call it, right? After that, what it did was it started, consolidation in this area. It was struggling to go up here. Why? Because we had a fair value gap. Price really struggled hard here, and then it started going up again. So we marked this area as a break of structure for ourselves, and as we have a lot of wicks in this area, we marked this zone as. So this was basically our resistance area in yesterday, and now it should be acting as a, you know support. That's the whole reason that I have marked this zone, right? I hope it's clear now. Bro, I came now, so where can I enter? Just wait for now. I hope the reason, if it is, then tell me, then I'll switch to, then I'll let you know that why I marked that biggest green zone also. Quality is again like yesterday's screenshot. Uh, I believe, just even I am running my live, right, and it's okay for me. I don't know how is it showing that for you. Okay, now let's understand that, why I have marked that zone, the previous one. So if you'll see here, we have a couple of wicks. So price tried to break this one, and as soon as it break below this, it went up. It did the same thing again. It tried to cross below this area this time, and it went up. And this is what it is all doing, to be honest. So that's why this entire zone, to be honest, this weak area is the demand zone that we have. These are the simple reasons. Okay. I hope it's clear that why we have marked this zone and marked this zone. Is it clear, guys? SL hit. It's even fixed. It's okay. We'll recover that. First of all, just tell me if you have, if these concepts are clear to you. Guys, I'm not going to teach you every day here, right? So these were the reasons, and that's it. It's okay. We have lost, I guess, maybe around 15 pips. That's okay. Leave it. This is still our area. And this week is the another area. This demand zone that we have is in 15 minutes, and this demand zone that we have is in 1 hour. Okay. Okay, let's see. So before buying, we need a candle closing above this red zone. Okay, until price does not close above this, we won't be buying. We need a candle close above this red zone to buy. Hello from Iran. How is it, Iran, bro? I have shared the levels with you guys. Okay. Also, BTC is dumping like anything from past 2 days. If you'll see, and now currently it is on a demand zone. This can be a good trade, but let's wait for some other confirmations. This area would be your TP1 and this area would be your TP2, but do not enter now. Let's wait for some additional confirmations and then we will be doing it. Okay. How's the trend? Okay, guys, 2 minutes left. Let's see if we can get a closing above this red area. And it would be even better that if we can give a close uh, above this previous candle. How many of sorry, I would like to ask how many of you are can see this bullish flag forming? Nice, it will be like something like this. Can any of you see this as well? It can be a very big breakout that we can see in gold. I do not trade patterns, but there are a few that I really like. One is bullish flag, bearish flag, and another is uh, head and shoulder. Though I don't trade them, but they are pretty good in bigger time frames. Also, we have a bullish flag in Bitcoin. If I'll make you see it, let's switch to one day. Bitcoin can blast anytime, guys, and there are high chances that it could do that in this Q4. So just look at it. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. It can give very good returns in a swing trade, or maybe if you want, you can buy it in spot. Good returns. Also have inverted head and shoulder, if you can see. And once the neckline is broken, we can see something really good. It is sort of at retest now, if you can see. This is the neckline that we are getting, and it is sort of retesting. And if it blasted, it can give very good returns. Oh yeah, we just need entry now. When can we enter in Bitcoin too? Is it best to enter now? No, not now. I'm just waiting for some confirmations and then we will do that. Okay, we have a 15-minute candle closing, and this, let's see how it has been. Mm, has not closed above that, but it's okay. I guess we can bear with that. When we enter, just need entry point. Yes, I'll update that. 'Gold moving like crazy. Yes. See, level does work out, right? This was the level I already told you that we are looking for, and you can see 30 pips, but it can give really good returns, trust me. Also, if you know, we broke out from this zone on a Thursday on unemployment claims, and we have that today as well. Let's see if gold can do that again for us. Got lucky did not get stopped out previous trade. Okay, Manuel. Good morning, all. Very good morning, Manuel. It makes me think about fear of missing out. It's okay. Do not fear of miss out. We'll get entries. Do not worry, Ben. Let's just stick here so that you do not fear of missing out. Okay. It is moving up. Let it move up. It might get Give us a pullback on this area and then we will enter. Okay. And entry, don't worry about that. Also, guys, it would be great. So yesterday, Vishwash shared a screenshot with me of how my streams are looking. So that was pretty bad because the bullish candles were not visible in that, right? So it would be great if a few of you guys can just take screenshots of the stream and share it with me over the Telegram so that I can see if it is the same for everyone or is it only for Vishwash. I am risk free now. Suggestions on how far to let the restaurant. Yes, this is your easy target 60. This is the area of rejection, and we have a couple of rejections here. So eventually, the trade that I gave first was something like here. We have entered here. Stop losses were like this. Sorry, stop losses were like below this, and it was a bit above, I guess. And this were the targets. But we got away. We got stopped out, but that's okay. Targets will be this. For me, it's like when it comes to the quality that YouTube sucks at adjusting automatically, I have to set quality higher manually. Okay. Even if I just shared levels with you guys, now you guys can make really good profits. To be honest, even if I only just share the levels with you, that would be great. Yo man, just when we don't enter, it moves like crazy. And when we enter yesterday, it's slush. Yes man. Uh, guys, what is the best trade manager for MT5 that can do partial TP etc.? Huh? I do not get your question so far. If anyone has understood his question, please answer him, guys. I am in trade. Okay, okay, Sangram. How many of you are in this trade? Can we have Sangram who is in this? We have Manuel who is in this trade. Anyone else who is in this trade? So please analyze GBP USD. GBP USD. Okay, let's do that as well. And please also share the time frame, buddy. It would be great if you can also share the time frame with me. Just waiting for a safer entry. Okay, Melson, we'll do that. Waiting for replacement. Yes, just give us an entry. GVR. Hold your horses, brother. We'll get an entry. Don't worry about that. But you have to be patient. Is there some news around GBP, guys? Is there some news around GBP? Can you share the that trade has you have missed that, Kevin? So just wait for a while. We'll enter on a re-entry. And if there is any news around GBP, please let me know, or else I have to go to Forex Factory myself. The GBP is dumping like anything. It's 3rd of October, and we have no major news around GBP. So why is it dumping? See, I don't know the reason, but it is dumping like crazy. If anyone knows the reason, please share it. This is a good area, and you can extend it up to here. This is a very good area to buy GBP USD, guys. If you trade it, you can look for it. Also, we have a retracement of 61.8 here. This can be a very good trade, guys. If you trade, you can take it. I personally do not trade it, so but it can be a very good trade if there is no news around it. So we have it is currently at a demand zone right now. Also, it's a 61.8 retracement, and the reason that why I have drawn this green zone is, so if you can see, he was struggling, price was struggling here, right, and it gave a break of structure here. So the previous resistance has turned into support. Also, it gave a break of structure again. If you can see, this was the area, right? So the low of this one will also act as support, right? So if you get some sort of confirmation, it can become a very good swing trade with like something like this, or maybe you can keep it below this. Targets can be this, the new highs. Maybe just let me see if I can see the last high would be this. Right up to this area, you can target this. This can be a very good swing trade, but you have to look for it. If you get some confirmations in 1 hour, then switch to 15 minutes or 5 minutes to get an entry in this. Just join. So DXY is increasing. Okay, any BTC trades? Yes, we have one, but we are waiting for some more confirmations before that. What indicator are you using? I'm an indicator myself. Buana Baba. And how much is your account? This guys, please do not get inspired by Buana Baba. He's a very aggressive trader, just doubling his account every day and then going and then losing 50% and then doubling again. Church in 5 minutes, gold maybe. Might pull back a little, maybe thoughts. Okay, let's see that. Let's see gold now. Okay, there should be church in 15 minutes. Then enter by dressing in 15 minutes. There may be exceptional and upper trend line. British. Can you check that? Yes. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, let's switch to gold again. Here, let's switch to small time frames, 15 minutes. See, guys, this was a change of character that we had just now in gold. Let me remove this. Right, this was a change of character that we had in gold. Oh, sorry, it won't be a change of character. It was a break of structure that we had in 15 minutes, and a lot of people would have entered. Now gold is again taking their SLs. That's how it is. And let's see, in order to get a change of character in gold, we have to close above this at least. And let's see, in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we clearly have a change of character. Let's wait for a pullback to enter now. These levels can be very good area to buy gold. Maybe this one. In 15 minutes time frame, actually previously broke an upper trend line. Brutus, can you check that? Confused here. Okay, STM, which trend line, guys? I'm so sorry that I didn't, saw your message. Which upper trend line? Is this what you are talking about? It has not given a closed yet, buddy. If this is what you are talking about. Okay, it has given a close above. Great. Let's see. Let's wait for a retest and then we would enter. This is how our trade is going to look. Okay, guys. Just look your stream in mobile. You will see quality. I have no issues, Bishwas. I have seen my streams in, uh, you know, I have my stream running in another laptop and it's quite fine. Guys, please, I have asked you this before also. If you are facing some issues with this stream, please let me know. You can share the screenshots. Okay, 47 to 49. Yes, I'm looking at it, but you don't worry. Okay, it is lagging. Okay, got you, Vishwas. What you are trying to tell. Okay, okay, buddy, got it. Did it touch our fair value gap? Not yet. You can, just enter at this fair value gap. To be honest, this is where you can enter. Or maybe you can enter right now, also, guys. Okay, guys, let's see. If you didn't enter before, enter right now. This is how it will look. Okay, and the SL would be small. No, it would be this only. This is your trade. Not very good, but I guess you have to bear with it. Just keep a few pips below this. Maybe we can touch FVGS. कितने ट्रेड लेने चाहिए? Once you are in profits, if it's your first trade and you have made good profits, just call it a day. Gold like no volume for now. I don't know. Gold is like getting crazy day by day. I don't like this RR, but there is nothing that I can offer you. Those who have entered here, they would be in good profits, but it's not the same for who would be entering here. And we have again London session open in 25 minutes. I guess I should be start streaming after the London session open only in 2500 and 2530 level. Yes, that's true, man. I to be honest, in intraday I just trade gold, but when it comes to swing, I trade Bitcoin a lot for swings. This trade has already started going in profits. Wait, guys, let me see if we can find an entry in BTC. But the thing is that we have unemployment claims today and we have NFP tomorrow, which can push uh, gold and Bitcoin down. So I'm just hesitating a bit before giving you the trades. Okay. I'll share the scenario with you. If you want to enter in Bitcoin long, wait for a candle closing above this area in 1 hour. Or maybe you can just take it here also. Also, see, I'll also give an example. This is what I'm telling you. Okay. Suppose we have a candle like this. So we had a candle which breached this area like this, right? This is the candle, suppose. So you will be taking your position here, and SL will be a few points below that candle, and you can target this. It will be your first area, and this will be your second area. Okay, so it will look something like this. You can take a screenshot of this for your reference after the streams. London session seeks liquidity, right? Yes, it does. Gold का क्या scene है? Already shared. Narendra Bist also shared your opinion. How was behavior 15 minutes during London opening, the last days going one direction, then turn completely? You said here through. Yes, that's true, man. See, even what it happened yesterday as well, if you'll see. So we were bullish on gold, right? And I'll just share where we were yesterday. Uh, this was the candle, right? So we were in longs yesterday, and we exited thinking that the candle will come down, right? And then it will move up. But what it did was it went up, and then after a few candles it dropped. You can see. So it did what it does. If you get, if you know what I mean, right? So it pumped a few candles more, and then it dumped. You can see that, and so it basically does the opposite, right? We can see here also, if possible. See, this is the, it gave a very bearish candle, and a few candles after it pumped like crazy. So that was I was talking about. Uh, 2656268. This man is always against me. Narendra Beast. Okay, SL2661. Okay, your SL is RTP. Oh, there might be some difference. Let's see. London session is pushing in one direction, whereas New York session is pushing in another direction. Yes, that's true. Thanks. You're welcome, buddy. It happens, and to be honest, what usually what I have seen, I have noticed one more thing, that the first 15-30 minutes, or maybe you can say sometimes it's also up to 1.5 an hour, gold goes into a single direction, and then it moves into different direction. And for an idea, I'll show you this. Let's switch 30-minute candles. After 8:30 IST, gold usually changes its direction. That's what I have noticed. See, 8:30. This is the 8:30 and 9 candle, right? Gold changed direction. This is 8:30 IST. You can convert that in your time zone. So after so basically it's 8:30 to 9 p.m. Gold changes its direction. So before it was falling hard, and then it changed its direction. Let's see if we have some more examples. On 1st October we had, see, again we have the same thing. It fold in the starting of your session, and then it pumped. Let's see if we have a few more examples. Mm, so it ditched, dumped a little, right, and then it pumped a little. Let me see some more examples if possible. Okay, so let's see this. It dumped, then it started moving up, then it dumped again a little, and then it went up. These are some patterns that I have been noticing in gold. It does this most of the time. Not every time, to be honest. Just don't completely rely on it. But if it goes hand in hand with your analysis, then you can take this as additional confluences. And that is the reason that I don't trade the starting of US session also. Okay, also, I would like to know, were you in profits yesterday or was break even? Yesterday was kind of a break even, right? But I made a few bucks yesterday after the in this area. So yesterday I was busy in the preparation of Navratri, so I was not able to share that. But I caught a few pips in this move. See, that's why I always keep you telling guys, if I'm sharing some information or knowledge, take it, because it's not necessary that I'll be giving you trades every time, because sometimes there are certain circumstances that I won't be able to share the trades. So you should be self-dependent as well, and everything is for free, so why not take it? I know people do not respect what they get for free, but it would be better if. Guys, we have London session open in, I guess, like 15 minutes. So if you are in profits in this trade, book some, or maybe you can bring your SL to the break even. We'll get another entry after the London session, or maybe you can just wait until the London session opens, and then you should book some profits and bring your SL to break even. Completely depends upon you. Were you in profits yesterday? What time is it in India now? 12:15, right? Yes, it's 12:15, buddy. Let's see if gold can break this area. This is a very big resistance that we have. If it breaks it, then we can see a very good move to the upside. I'm telling you again, guys, get risk free in this trade. Do whatever, however you manage your risk, because we have London session opening in like 13 minutes. I'm 15 minutes ahead in future. Hope it was 15-minute delays in charts too. Okay. What can happen is, if price really wants to move up, it might come back, tap this area of fair value gap, and then move up. So we still have this probability in mind. Okay. Just keep this in mind as well. मोदी जी ने पक्का सेल किया होगा, इसलिए मार्केट नीचे आ रहा है, पूरे देश का जीडीपी लगा रहा है. Yes, looks like that, man. Also, let me mark this area. Let's see, guys, what happened. Guys, do not enter in any trade until the we, just surpasses 15 minutes of London session. So basically, you have to wait for 25 minutes. आपका ऐसे चल जाएगा maybe. No, in this trade, we are risk free, man. I have told everyone to get risk free either by booking 50% or maybe exiting the trade in profits, however they like it. See, I'm more focused towards helping you make. I'll be more happy if I'll be able to help you make small profits and keep protecting your capital rather than just luring you guys for big profits and big losses. So if you are here making small profits, or maybe even if getting break even and getting some knowledge, my purpose of streaming is fulfilled. Also, let me write it here, or else you will be like, why, do to me? This great is, guys. Let's see what London session brings. I would be happy if it comes down to up to this area and then moves up again. Why that? Why? Hi, Yeshu, how are you, buddy? Have you ever been to Nepal? No, buddy, but I will definitely come Nepal and meet you. Don't you worry about that. Okay, just five. Otherwise, I will just do foreign for earning. If I only get profitable from trading, otherwise I'll just go to foreign for earning. Okay, okay. So moving to abroad is your plan. Is that it? I have not been to Nepal, but really wanna go there. I guess it's a beautiful place. Okay, okay. Why would you think that way? Instead, you can think like this: that if trading does not work for me, I'll do something else to earn, and then try trading until I, just make it happen. My plan when I started trading, my plan A, B, C, D, everything was to just get profitable. If plan A fails, go with plan B, start trading again, get profitable. If that fails, go for plan C. Okay, sounds great, buddy. For now, I even don't have money to buy funding account. That's why. Okay, so how would you be getting money to move abroad? Maybe your parents would fund that, right? Parents, right? Okay, but okay, mate. Okay, okay, okay. Great, man. Let's see what price is doing in 15 minutes for a better judgment. Also in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour it looks good, and in 15 minutes it's also good. Okay, guys, we have 1 minute left for the London session open. Okay, guys, let me tell you something. These are the two areas that we can use to get long if price comes down in the first 15 minutes. Okay, this is the most important area and the best area that we could have. Let's see. All eyes on it. It will look something like this. I'm just giving you a idea. Okay, I hope you have the idea. If price bounces from this is how trade is gonna look. And if price bounces from this area, this is how it is going to look. Okay, now let's wait what price does. Now we have to wait for 15 minutes until we get a candle and then we'll plan. We want a red candle, guys. It would be great if we can get that. Sir, don't you get tired of speaking continuously? Yes, I do. Even I have a fast today, but still, audience on the top. Have to do that for them. By the will of your voice. Thank you so much, buddy. We are getting a red candle, guys. Let's hope it stays red and is not that big, and then we can pump. I am currently on sell position actually. Okay, so you are the one who is jumping it. Wanna stop it? That's not fair. We are into buys. You have separate room with room locked, right? I do have a separate room, but it's not locked. It's open because I'm alone at home. So those who don't know, I stay with my friends because I live in Jaipur, right? And it's my hometown is Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. So I moved here a few years back for job and everything, and since I'm here only living with my friends, all of them are off to their jobs. No, they are not traders, man, and I'm glad they are not. One is enough. If they would have been traders, why would have been doing live? Just think about it. The whole reason behind doing live stream was because I was getting escape. I was getting bored alone. That's why came into FPG. Yes, They don't want to escape the metrics, but we surely will. Yes, Yeshu, you are right, man. We surely will. Don't they want to learn trading watching you? Why would they have to watch me to learn? They stay with me. If they have doubts, they ask me. Even I put some, I just, trade for them sometimes in their accounts. I have access of their accounts. I just put a trade when they ask me to. That's how it is. क्या कहा था लेयर ट्रेडिंग जोन है ओके ओके बुआना ओके buddy you don't have to tell that to everyone man 30 booked great good for you man should we enter wait for 5 more minutes tap the FVG yes it has tapped the FVG and see the results is in front of you either you should have I told already shared the setup with you you should have entered here only this would have been your stop loss if not then that's okay our entry in 5 minutes was something like this I believe enter here stop loss was below this candle and now it is moving up this was the complete entry you could have entered here if not then that's also okay I guess you have to wait for some more time I believe डाउन ही आएगा. Tap the FVG. Yes, I'm already in this. It's okay if you don't want this, guys. I don't want to create FOMO, so I'm removing this. We'll get another entry. Down ही आएगा. देखते हैं भाई down ही आएगा या ऊपर जाएगा यार. Like, I'm not here to predict the market. Other who? What do you mean by other who, mate? The 15-minute candle that we have is red. Let's wait for 3 more minutes and then we can plan our entries like this. Okay, targeting this. Just wait for few more minutes, then we'll do it. I have entered, guys. I just got stopped out, not much profit over. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Pashupatinath. Pashupatinath? Bro, it is in profits and now my sister want me to go. Pashupatinath. Okay, bro, you can go. Totally up to you, man. Okay, buddy. May God bless you, and come down, baby. Okay, gold is the baby of Narendra Best. Great, man. Can you please pump your baby a little bit so that we can also get in profits and then you can again call it down to you? अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट था फिर नीचे आया. Yes, that's okay, man. यस, एसएल हिट का लग रहा है $1 का। When did you enter, man? अ, हाँ, 150 हो गया आज का क्लोज। अभी एंट्री कर सकते हैं। वेट वेट गाइस। Should have held it, grab it down। 265 में सेल लगा के बैठे हैं लोग। ओके ओके। I'm here only, guys. I'm nowhere. I'm just looking for the price and setups so that I can share some good trades with you. I'm here only. Just mic is off so that I can work on my other laptop and find some good trades for you. What is that one? Hi British, what do you think? You buying gold now and support at which is support level? Guys, this is a support level, but I'm waiting for some additional confirmations before buying. So just wait for that. If you're talking, I don't hear your mic because I'm not speaking. I'm on my other another laptop doing some work, and in case no sound at all for a long time. Yes, because I'm not speaking, buddy. Let's do one thing. Let's end this stream because I guess it will take some time for price to show some sort of bullish momentum. So I'll just update in Telegram group, and in case you want to have discussions on this stream, then do let me know. I'll let it run. Just tell me what to do, and we'll be good with that. If you want me to just keep this stream open, I'll do that. You can have discussions, and I'll update you whenever we have a position. And in case you want that I should be giving the trade in the group, then you can tell that as well. I'll just close the stream and give the update in the group. I guess I'll just give the update in the group, guys, with proper entry and SL. And let's end this stream, and I'll give you update in the group only. Okay, guys. We are in a buy zone. If you have your entry model, you can enter based on that as well. And I'll also share mine entry as well. Please update about BTC last. Okay, it is going down. I told you we need a candle confirmation above this. Well, there is no entry for now. I'll update the BTC in the group as well. Okay, we didn't got the closing above this, so no entry for us yet. So I'll give the update of the this also in the group only. Okay. But remember, the gold is in 1 hour demand and it can pump up to 60. Okay. So just look for it and I'll update in the group. Anything else you guys want to know? Okay, guys. See you.